Today we are going to start chapter number first, three questions. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew three things. The three things were: what is the right time to begin something, which people should he listen to, what is the most important thing for him to do. So once upon a time there was a king who had an idea. If he knew the answers of three questions, he would never fail in his life. So what were the three questions? The three questions were: what is the right time to begin something? So which is the most important and the right time to begin to start something? Which people should he listen to? So what are the most important people? Who are the most important people whom he should listen to? And which is the most important thing he should do? The king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these three questions. So, for the same purpose, the king sent messengers throughout his kingdom and assured to give a large sum of money if anyone gave all the answers of the three questions. Many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. Many people from and in around the village, or you can say his kingdom, came to answer these questions, but all the people gave answers differently. In reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. So according to some people, king should make a timetable and follow it accordingly. Only in this way, they said, could he do everything at his proper time. So by following the timetable only, the king could do all his tasks at proper time. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. So it was a debate for the people. Some were against the timetable and some were for the timetable. Some were saying that it is not possible to make a timetable before because things are uncertain. They can happen anytime, any place. The king should notice all that was going on, avoid foolish pleasures, and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. So, according to the situation, the king needed to take actions properly. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. And according to others' opinions, king needed a group of intellectual person who would advise king to take actions properly and at proper time. This was because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly without help from others the right time for every action. So according to them, it is better to take action in group because a single person can't take decision correctly. But then others said that there were some things which could be urgent. So some people argued and said that sometimes it could be possible that the actions needed to be taken urgently. So at that time, king only would have to take action. These things could not wait for the decision of the council. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future. So, according to some people, It is also necessary to take action, taking the view of future also, and look into the future. Means thinking about future also, actions needed to be taken. And only magicians could do that. The king therefore would have to go to magicians. So as we know that it is thought that only magicians can look into the future. So people said that king needed to go to magicians, to consult magicians, to look into the future so that he could take action at the present time. In their answers to the second question, some said that people most necessary to the king were his counselors. So, for the second question, some of the people gave answer that the most important people for the king should be counselors. Counselors means a group of people who give advice. So, those people should be the most important person for the king. Others said the priests. A few others chose the doctors. So there were different views, there were different opinions. All were giving their different ideas about the most important person. Some were saying that the priests were the most important person, some said that it was doctor, and yet others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. To the third question, some said science, others chose fighting, and yet other religious worship. So the third question was the what was the first was sorry what is the most important thing to be done. So some said it was science, some said that it should be fighting, and some said that the most important thing to be done is to do religious activities. As the answers to his questions were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward. All the people had different ideas, and king was not satisfied with their answers. So as promised, king did not give any reward to anyone. Instead,